The Lilt of Lamiae, the L. Nestled on the edge of the Reef Mountains and caressed by the Mediterranean breeze, the village of Arkman, inhabited by the Ishbilan and Amazigh community, stood as a testament to a mixture of beauty, desertion, and resilience. Its coastline shimmered under the sun, its waters stretching endlessly, calling to those who sought freedom beyond its horizon. The village is a mosaic of whitewashed homes, narrow cobbled paths, and olive groves, but its heartbeat is fading. Its youth had left, one by one, allured by the dream of migration, leaving behind the village grappling with its dwindling spirit. Among those staying is Lamia, a young lady whose name carried the rhythm of her dialect. The sound of L, soft, flowing, and distinct, is a signature of her Amazigh dialect. It weaves through the words that shaped their identity. Awel, Laman, البحر, الملح, الموجات. The elders of Arkman would say that the sound of El mirrored the gentle lapping of the sea against their shores, a sound as ancient as the village itself. Even the name of fishes in her dialect carried the sound El, Isilman, a lyrical reminder of the deep connection between her people and the sea. Arkman, with its mesmerizing seashores famed as the best to savor the real taste of freshly cooked fish. Families would gather along the shores, enjoying meals that celebrated both their culinary heritage and the breathtaking beauty of the Mediterranean. I often wandered the empty streets of Arkman, my thoughts heavy with the silence that now enveloped my home. I would pause by the withered walls of the old schoolhouse, where laughter and chatter in my native tongue once echoed. Now, only the wind carried whispers of those days. My heart ached for the language that is slipping away, just like the young people who had abandoned the village in search of a better life. Our language is like the sea, a wise old woman once told me. It carries our history, our songs, and our dreams. If we let it fade, we let go of who we are. These words lingered in my mind, urging me to speak the lilt of my Amazigh app, for I know that to revive the spirit of my mother tongue, I had to begin with my very voice. With a heartfelt determination, I'm giving my word of honor to the Arkmanian seashore to keep the lilt of my language alive, for my name begins with the distinct sound L. Now, the very presence of L sound in my name is no longer just a letter, it's a promise, a commitment to preserve the identity of my ancestors, to bring life back to the seashores of Arkman, and to remind the world that the lilt of Lamia, like the lilt of the sea waves, could never be vanished.